Hello everyone, my name is Kashish Advani and I am a proud Navkarite. I cleared my CA Foundation exams of 2019 November attempt with a total of 338 marks out of 400 and with an All India rank of 26. All this, my rank and successful CA Foundation journey has been possible with the help of my parents who have given me tremendous support. Without that support, I would never have thought of achieving this. Together with that, it is very important to be in an institute where they give you tremendous support because it's our first level of CA. So we actually need a lot of guidance and personal attention, which many a times is not possible because of large class size and a lot of course to cover up. But in Navkar, the experience that I had with respect to personal attention with the help of mentors was amazing. What Navkar basically does is that they provide personalized mentors, 2 mentors for each batch for CA Foundation especially, because then they believe that for in the start of CA it is very important to build up the confidence of students. So a lot of credit actually goes to my mentors Nivya ma'am and Deshpande sir. They had been constantly in touch with me. My center was Somlalit and Nivya ma'am, she came to Somlalit on the first day of our exam, which was law, and she was there to support me and to wish me luck. She not only guided me on phone but also personally. I could contact her at any point of time and she always used to help me out. It did not matter what time of the day it was, and that has been a tremendous support. And moreover, many times it does happen that in lectures you do attend that lecture, but then you are not able to fully recall everything later at home when you revise after 3 months or 4 months, because it is a long process. So video lectures of Navkar help you with that, and moreover Navkar's material clubbed with ICAI module is amazing. You get a lot of material in that way, and Navkar has tests every week, which makes it amazing because then you are able to recall everything. And they also have systems like till done and full course tests, which help you to improve your performance. And they also guide students every now and then by arranging seminars where they motivate students. We do not only get motivated by YouTube videos these days, but they also arrange seminars for us in big halls where parents are also there, so that they can guide us accordingly. And they were also able to actually cover the course much earlier, so we got 2 months or 1.5 months in our hands to actually revise the whole thing. So that is also a major part for success, because only tuition studies can never prove to be enough. We also have to do self-study at home, which is a very important aspect of studying, because that is when we get our major concepts cleared. And that is how I was able to get the rank. And the most important thing to refer ICAI module, because that is the crux. In the end, I would like to thank Navkar for all the help and support that they have given me till now. Navkar, we believe in the best.